Cooking technology brings a truly satisfying experience as modern devices combine precision, speed, and creativity. Every step becomes a performance of art, both convenient and visually captivating. A craftsman is not just a worker, but a true artist, creative, flexible, and refined in every movement, turning labor into a lively, inspiring masterpiece. Fruit carving transforms into a graceful dance, where every soft, delicate cut creates a work of art that is both beautiful and full of life. Introducing machinery into agriculture makes processes easier and more efficient, such as separating corn into finished products quickly and accurately, saving labor and greatly boosting productivity. The production of plastic trays using hot air blowing technology is highly precise and efficient, creating durable, attractive, and consistent quality products that meet the growing demands of the modern market. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you even more exciting and valuable videos. Mango peeling becomes easy and quick thanks to smart tools, saving time, ensuring clean and beautiful cuts, and offering a convenient experience for users. The builder lays the foundation with rhythmic, flowing movements, as if performing a dance, precise yet artistic, creating a solid construction with aesthetic beauty. Modern machines make irrigation work 1,000 times faster, saving human effort, improving efficiency, and marking a major step forward for sustainable agriculture. Skilled woodworking artisans always earn admiration with their dexterous hands and boundless creativity. From raw wooden blocks, they patiently carve and polish every detail, producing artistic pieces both exquisite and soulful. Each line and pattern reflect meticulous care and passion for the craft. As a result, the wooden products are not only durable, but also beautiful, elegant, and rich in artistic and spiritual value, truly perfect in every detail.